Hello, welcome to Comica channel. This is an unboxing and user guide video for Comica BooMax 2.4G onboard recording wireless microphone. Open the BooMax box and take out the carrying pouch. Inside, you'll find the charging case, transmitter, TX2, receiver, RX1, USB charging, audio output, cable, 3.5mm TRS audio cable, wind muff 2, magnetic plate 2, user manual, warranty card. This is the transmitter. On the top, there's a 3.5mm TRS port for connecting an external mic input. It also features one omnidirectional pattern mic and one cardioid pattern mic, which you can switch between based on your recording needs. On the left side, there are two buttons: the power mute button, long press to power on, off, short press to switch on, off muting, and the pair denoise button, long press to enter pairing mode, short press to turn on, off denoise. On the right side, there's a REC button, short press to turn on onboard recording, long press to turn off onboard recording. On the front, there are two indicator lights. The onboard recording indicator light stays solid red when internal recording is active. Working indicator light. Blue light blinks slowly, unpaired. Blue light blinks quickly, pairing. Blue light keeps on, paired. Green light keeps on, denoise on. Red light keeps on, mute on. Red light blinks slowly, low power. Red light keeps on when power is off, charging. Blue light keeps on when power is off, fully charged. At the bottom, you'll find the charging contacts. Just place the transmitter into the charging case to start charging. There's also a USB-C port, which you can use to connect power bank, DC power supply for charging, or connect to computer for upgrading or copying onboard recording files. Take out the receiver. On the top, you'll see a touchscreen display that shows real-time information related to RX and TX. Audio mode, gain level, wireless signal, battery power, audio dynamic, polar pattern, etc. Swipe left, right, or down on the screen to access the settings menu. For more details, please refer to the section Receiver Touchscreen Settings. Next to the touchscreen, there's a control dial. When the receiver screen is on the home screen, press once, then rotate to adjust the gain of transmitter or receiver. Long press to enter the control menu. Select and confirm relevant settings by rotating and pressing the dial. On the right side of the receiver, you'll find the power and screen lock button. Press and hold to power on or off. When the receiver is on the home screen, press once to lock or unlock the screen. When the receiver screen is not on the home screen, short press to go back to the previous screen. On the left side, there's a monitoring port that supports 3.5mm TRS earphone to monitor transmitter's audio. This is a 3.5mm TRS output port that delivers analog audio. At the bottom, there's a USB-C port. You can use it to connect power supply for charging, or to connect a USB device for outputting digital audio. Charging pad. Drop the receiver into the charging case and it'll start charging right away. The charging case has 3 slots: TX position, RX position. The case also features battery indicator lights on the outside. There are 4 lights, each representing 25% power, so you can easily check the remaining power at a glance. On the back, you'll find a USB-C charging port to connect power supply for charging, and a reset hole. If there is any abnormality in charging, put a pin into the hole to reset it. TX and RX are paired by default. If you need to repair, please refer to the following method. First, restart both the TX and RX. Long press the pairing button on the TX to enter pairing state. The working indicator light flashes quickly in blue. Then operate RX to enter control menu and select Settings. Link device, link, confirm. Once paired successfully, the TX working indicator light keeps on blue, and the RX screen displays TX audio information. When using the BooMax, you can clip the TX directly onto your collar, or use the magnetic clip to attach it inside your clothing. If you plug in an external mic, the built-in mic will automatically turn off. And don't forget, if you're recording outdoors or in windy environments, it's recommended to use the wind muff. The receiver supports both analog and digital outputs. For analog output, use the 3.5mm TRS audio cable to send audio directly to your camera. For digital output, connect your phone or computer using the USB 2-in-1 audio cable or a USB-C to Lightning audio cable. You could choose whether to enable the recording function based on your needs. If you want to start recording, here's how to do it. Method 1. Short press the TX rec button to turn on onboard recording, and long press the button to turn off the onboard recording. Method 2. When the RX screen is on the main interface, swipe left or right to access the TX quick settings. Select REC to turn on or off the recording. After recording, turn off the TX. Connect it to your computer using the USB output cable. Then, open the BooMax TX disk and navigate to the REC folder to copy the audio files. BooMax can be operated through the Comica audio app. To use it, first search for and download the Comica audio app from your phone's app store. After downloading, turn on your phone's Bluetooth, then open the app and search to pair device BooMax. Through the app, you can set and operate both the RX and TX. Thanks for your watching.